Hello everyone, and it's great to see you back in OT Closet. I'm Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some strengthening exercises for your hands and fingers. You need to get a ruler, 2 clothespins, and 2 markers. Color one side green and the other make red. Use both clothespins and clip them together, first top, then bottom. Begin. Use both clothespins again and copy me. Use both hands and squeeze your clothespins as hard as you can for 25 seconds. Go! Count each number on the ruler by flipping the clothespins from red to green. Red to green. Go! Now go backwards. Pause the video now if you need more time. Use only your right hand and spin the ruler in the air for 25 seconds. Go! Switch to your left. Place the clothespins on the opposite sides of the ruler. Make them jump over each other by flipping it at the same time. Don't skip any space. Now go back up again. Pause the video now if you need more time. Place both clothespins in the middle of the ruler and spin it by taking one off. You have 25 seconds. Go! We are all done now. Do you know why strong hands matter? These are the reasons why. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye!